Ole Brokotosha. Ashakata. I'm hearing a name like Monoku. Monoku. Who is the person? Akaraboshinda Asa. Shakabo Ole Braga. Ele Braga Rababasha. Hey Yabashanda. Mercy of God upon you. Where is the guy? Come here. I see where the girl who died in the labor room and they will arrest you. I see you being arrested. Are you in good time with the family of this girl? Stand up here. Why do you go and pregnant a girl you did not do something on her head? Huh?
It's a long story. I come out here yesterday. But
come out. Why? I see this girl, she's having something on her head though. Huh?
Yes, sir.
He made the highest mistake. You don't supposed to pregnant her. And she's not eating well. She's not feeding well. Huh?
One day more, I rejected him. Say about this girl, Kamalo.
Stand up. Why didn't you do something on her hair before you pregnant her? Huh?
The morning question you use, can't you go to a psychiatric hospital and not fear?
No fear. You know that she's having problem. You go and pregnant her. Why can't you wait until when things are done you will go? Pregnancy on her bosom. Why must the first thing pregnancy? She's not well. She's having an attack. She's not being fed well. There is no possibility without prayer that she will survive in this pregnancy. We cancelled. Except when I stand up. Where do you base? Huh?
East.
You come from East?
Yes.
And when I'm talking about Moloku, Ugo, eh?
Ugonna Moloku.
Ugonna, you pregnant her. Very bad of you. Now, do you know me? Eh? What is my name? Huh? 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 We okulu. Emala fam. Oyo obode beke wo. Huh? Huh?
I am melum.
Again. I am melum. Ola oboda. Why do you go and pregnant a girl you know she's not normal? You don't supposed to pregnant her. You will have get her normal before pregnancy. Give me 500,000 to give them. Stand up. Stop. Get 500,000. Why? Stand up. This is 500,000. Amen. Go and pay her bride price. Huh? Go and pay her bride price. She will be normal again. I will handle her deliverance until she put to bed. The prayer we do now is that she will leave. It's just a covenant. Next time, don't pregnant a girl without her will. Because you know she's having problem. It is not right. Don't do what God will not like. But nevertheless, bringing her to Zion from East, when?
On that birthday period.
Birthday period, you still be here since that time?
Yes.
Where are you sleeping since that time?
A friend shop, Brother Peter. From
friend shop.
Yes.
Where is the friend shop?
Across Igbo, sir.
You are normally carry her there.
Yes, sir.
Nne, how are you? Where are he kwesịrị ịtụba this girl ime? O nwere ọ karị nwetacha onwe before obube afọ ime. It's like pregnanting a mad woman. Nevertheless, I know you truly love her. That is why I have not. I know you love her. Take care of her. Go and pay the bride price with the 500,000 so that she can be officially your wife. And immediately she delivers, she's going to be normal. Few months pregnancy. This is 5 months and a week. 5 months and a week.
We make a miracle, walk up from his fever. Lying in darkness. My God, my God, my God. We make a miracle from his keeper. My God.
Evangelist Ebuka Obi, God will bless you. Wanna see how he prophesies to this young man and their wife. After everything, he discovered that they don't have money. He gave them 500,000 naira to support them. This is what we call Christianity. This is what we call Christianity. I pray that God will continue blessing Evangelist Ebuka Obi. As a Christian you are, if you see somebody that is in need, that come to you, maybe the person need prayer or the person need one or two things or the other, and you discover that that person is hungry, and you don't have food or you have money to give that person to buy food, give that person. And after you give that person, you pray for that person. It's very good. Look at what Evangelist Ebuka Obi did. He prayed for them, he prophesied for them. God want to use him to deliver that young girl, but he discovered that these people don't have money, even they even no money even to eat. He gave them 500,000 naira to support them. God bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi, and God bless all the ministers of God that are doing well. Yeah, thank you, and God bless you.